Hi, in this class I learned that assistive technology really covers a wide spectrum of things. Um, it can cover the simplest thing like a pencil grip to a huge thing like a computer or program that allows a child to communicate who's nonverbal. Um, I learned in this class a lot of things that I use that I didn't realize were assistive technology, like board maker and spell check, that kind of thing. I didn't really realize that those were assistive technology before, and I use them a lot with my kids anyways, so that was interesting. And I also learned a lot of really good resources, websites, um, a lot of equipment that I would love to be able to talk my district into buying for some of my children. Um, they could really help their needs that I learned in this class that I don't know that I would have just gone and researched on my own or really even knew that they were out there without the resources and modules in this class. Um, I think that going forward, the things that I will use the most are things like speech to text. That's something that my kids that struggle with reading and writing really can use to get their thoughts out there and build a little bit of confidence. Um, I would love, love, love to get a reader pen. I've thought maybe about even purchasing one out of my own pocket and having it for kids in my classroom to use. I'm not sure if I'm going to go that route or not because they are kind of pricey, but after this course in researching, I would really love to have one of those. The thing I found the most useful in this class is really the mindfulness piece that we did. This time of year, Christmas, classes are finishing up. I've got 4 or 5 IEPs this month. On top of that, we're moving. I've got 3 kids. It's just a really stressful time, and I find that even though the mindfulness module ended weeks ago, I still keep up with it because it was really helpful to me, especially at this time of year, so that I don't go crazy. So I really appreciated that module, and I hope that you leave it in for future students because it was really helpful.